welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the I Heart Fall tag. This tag was created by Miss Jen Fabulous, who is so sweet and adorable, and she does the most amazing nail tutorials. She has some great Halloween ones up right now. And then I was tagged by my friend here on YouTube, What Would Lizzie Do, who is so hilarious and sweet and caring. So if you haven't checked them out, I will link them down below. Thank you for tagging me, Lizzie, and I'm just going to read through the questions. So the first question is, what is your favorite fall lip product? Now, you guys know me, I couldn't just pick one lip product. Sorry, I just can't. You know I love lip products. So the first one is what I'm wearing now, and it's MAC's Prince Noir, and it's a deep, dark, cherry burgundy color, really dark and vampy. I love vampy colors for fall. And this was a limited edition. I found mine at a CCO. But if you can't find this, a color that's really similar and really cheap is Wet n Wild's Cherry Bomb. This is almost exactly the same color. When you swatch them, you can't really tell a difference. So if you can't find that, these are only like $1.99 at Walmart, Walgreens, all that good stuff. The next one I have is Maybelline's Refined Russet. I use this in my Sultry Smog makeup tutorial, and it is so beautiful. It's like a dark brown nude with pink undertones. Perfect for fall. It's not too dark, so if you're kind of afraid to wear dark lipsticks, I think this would be perfect. And then my next one is NYX Doll. This is a plummy berry color, and it's so appropriate. I love berries in the fall time, and you can manipulate this with a lip liner. Like if I wear a purple lip liner, it looks more purple, or I can wear a pink and it looks more pink. And these are so creamy and moisturizing. My last one is MAC Ruby Woo. Cult favorite. I wear this all year round, but especially during the fall. This is the perfect universal red shade. I did a review of this on my blog, and I love using a dark lip liner like Night Moth from MAC in the outer corners for an ombre red lip. So I was thinking about doing a tutorial on how to do an ombre red lip. If you're interested in seeing that, let me know in the comments down below. So, moving on, the next question is, what is your favorite fall nail polish? I have two of these as well. The first is also what I'm wearing now, and this is Julips Pippa. This is a very matte nude color, but it's like a ghostly nude. It's not too warm. It's a very cool toned, almost white, and I love ghostly, faded, washed out nudes in the fall because it's just so, I don't know, it just reminds me of fall. And then my other favorite is this Maybelline nail polish, and this is in Dress to Kill. This is almost the same color as my lips. It's like a burgundy, dark, deep red color, and it's so gorgeous. My next favorite is a Maybelline nail polish, and this is in Dress to Kill. This is like a dark, deep, burgundy purple, pretty much the same color as my lips, and I love, like I said, vampy colors for fall, so this would be my other favorite. The next question is, what is your favorite Starbucks fall drink? Now, I am obsessed with Starbucks. Love. One of my favorite parts about Starbucks are their seasonal drinks. So my favorite fall drink would definitely be, without a doubt, the pumpkin spice frappuccino. Oh, it's so good. Now, I haven't tried the latte. I've only tried the frappuccino, but I'm sure the latte is amazing. But I'm really weird. I always drink frappuccinos all year round, even when it's cold. And for me, I think why I do it is because when I drink it more as a dessert, not really a drink. And then I'll drink like hot lattes more at nighttime. But I love the pumpkin spice frappuccino. It's like milky and creamy and pumpkin-y and so good. So if you haven't tried it, you should definitely try it out. The next question is, what is your favorite fall candle? Now, the one I chose is Homemade Cookies by Bath & Body Works. This smells so amazing. It smells like, you know, when you were growing up and your mom was baking cookies. Like, my mom makes cookies all the time, and I was always like, are they done yet? Are they done yet? Like, so impatient. And this just reminds me of that. It smells like, obviously cookies, but like baking and fall, and one of my favorite things about fall is the food, so I chose that one. Next, what is your favorite fall scarf or accessory? So I chose a scarf and accessory. Sorry. My favorite fall accessories is definitely jewelry, chunky vintage statement earrings like these. I think these are so cute, especially because I have dark hair, like you can't see earrings that well, and I don't like wearing long earrings. So I love like statement studs, especially in the fall time. I love golds and like ambers and navy blues, like sapphire colored diamonds. So I think these are beautiful for fall. I love big stud earrings. And then my favorite scarf is definitely this one. This thing is so huge. Like, I couldn't even, like, look how long this is. But that's what I love about it. It's very warm and thick. It's a big knit scarf, and I think I got this, it's really soft too. I got this at Forever 21 last year, but the thing I love about it, first of all, the color. I love nudes for fall. Well, let's be real, I love nudes all year round, but especially camel colors during the fall and winter. So I love this color. I love the texture. It's very simple, but it's classic and you can wear it with a lot of things. And I love how long it is because I love doing different designs and wearing my scarves different ways, but most of the longer scarves that I find are really flimsy, and this one's very thick and warm. So this is my favorite fall scarf. Next question, haunted house, haunted hayride, or haunted corn maze? For me, none of the above. I am such a baby. I hate to be scared. The only thing I like about Halloween is the candy and dressing up as something cute. I can't do scary stuff. I can't be scared. I can't do it. I hate scary stuff. And I remember growing up, like, people telling me that people got killed in haunted corn mazes, and I can't do scary stuff, so I wouldn't be able to do either. I hate being scared. I've been to one haunted mansion in my life, and I screamed like a little girl, and I will never go back. So, none of the above. I can't. I'm a baby. Next question is favorite Halloween movie. I feel like such a kid. My favorite Halloween movie would probably be Casper. I love that movie. It's so, so cute, and I think it came on ABC Family not too long ago when I was watching it, and I just love it. And if I had to pick another one, it'd be Double Double Toiling Trouble. I think that's what it's called. The one with the Olsen twins. So cute. I remember watching that growing up. So those would be my favorite Halloween movies because, like I said, I can't watch, like, scary movies at all. Question number 8. Favorite Halloween candy? I would say Reese Cups. I love Reese Cups. I love chocolate. I don't really do candy corn or anything, but I love chocolate. Reese Cups especially, so that would be my favorite Halloween candy. Question number 9. What are you dressing up for as Halloween? I actually did a tutorial on my makeup for Halloween and everything. It's my lion tutorial. It should be up by the time this video is up, but if not, it's coming, and I'll show you my ears. These are my little lion ears. These are actually monkey ears. I got them at Party City, and they didn't have lion anything anywhere. I went to like 3 places, and then I bought this brown fabric at Walmart and just sewed it on, and then it came with a tail, and I sewed that on there too. But these are so cute, so I'm going to be a lion. Like I said, I don't really do scary Halloween. I'm always jealous of people that can pull it off. I don't know, I just feel like I can't pull it off, and I just never get into it. So I'm going to be a lion, and my dog, Molly, she's a Yorkie, she's 1.5 years, she's going to be a lion as well. I Instagrammed a picture of her costume, of her in it. So cute. And then my boyfriend's going to be a ringmaster, so it's going to be really funny because it's like mama lion, my little baby cub, and then the ringmaster boyfriend. So now on to the last question. What is your favorite thing about fall? And for me, it's really hard to sum up one thing because fall is one of my favorite seasons. I literally love everything about fall, from the trees and the leaves changing to the weather. The weather is a big thing for me because it's so much more comfortable. It's not humid anymore. It feels nice, and especially the clothes. I love wearing like sweaters and riding boots and scarves, but probably the fashion and the weather. And then a bonus is the food because like Thanksgiving's coming up, and hello, I love food, I love to eat. But that was my tag. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Look below to see if I tagged you in the bottom bar because I did tag a few people. And also, I tag you watching this video right now. If you want to do this video, leave a video response. I would love to see what your favorite things about fall are. And also, I want to do a quick update on things that I'm planning on filming because I haven't been able to film as much as I've been wanting to lately. This semester in college has been just insane. I'm a senior. I've just been so busy, and it's so sad because I always am like, oh, I want to film. So some videos that are coming up is an eyebrow tutorial. A lot of you guys requested it and wanted me to do one, so I will be happy to do that. An eyeliner tutorial, a winged out eyeliner, which again was highly requested. And then I'm going to be doing the line makeup tutorial if it's not already up yet. I'm probably going to do the I Love Drugstore makeup tag because I do love drugstore makeup. And then finally, I filmed a fall lookbook, so that should be up soon. I probably already put pictures on Instagram of little sneak peeks and stuff, so if I didn't, then pictures will be coming soon. So yeah, I have a lot of awesome and exciting things planned. If you have any requests or things you'd like me to review, leave it down below. I love getting input from you guys. And also, I'll leave my Instagram and Twitter, so come chat with me. I love talking to you guys. And as always, thanks for being here and watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!